Normal form. The normal form of the equation is given as x cosine omega plus y sine omega is equal to p. In order to understand this equation of line, what I'm going to do, I'm going to graph it and then we will try to understand graphically. So here's the graph. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. What I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a line. So this is my line. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drop a perpendicular from origin to this line. So this will be my perpendicular, and let the length of this perpendicular is p. And let this perpendicular makes an angle of omega with the x-axis. So when we drop this perpendicular will meet the line at point A. So as you can see, I have a right triangle over here, and I can definitely use that right triangle to find cosine omega, sine omega, and length of the perpendicular from origin to the line. And this form of equation is known as normal form of the equation. Now let's consider an example. So example is, find the equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units and the angle which the normal makes with the positive direction of x-axis is 45 degrees. So as you can see, it is given that p is equal to 5 units because p is perpendicular distance from origin to the line, which is 5. So I'm writing p equals to 5 units. And angle omega is given as 45. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use these two information in this equation to solve and find the equation of line. So I can write the normal form of the equation is given as x cosine omega plus y sine omega is equal to p. And now I will substitute the values. So I will write x cosine 45 plus y sine 45 is equal to p. Now let's substitute the value of cosine 45 and sine 45. And if I do that, I will write x times 1 over root 2 plus y times 1 over root 2 is equal to 5. Where 1 over root 2 is the value of cosine 45 and sine 45 value is 1 over root 2. And if I further simplify, I will get x plus y is equal to 5 square root of 2, which is the equation of a line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units and the line is making an angle of 45 degrees with positive x-axis. And this is how we will use a normal form of the equation of line to solve any mathematical problem.